Yeah, lick it in the gut. Oh! Yeah! Fuck! I'm a first bitch!
Yeah, dude. You get paid a $30 million views, you get paid $60,000.
Fuck you, you Mexican. Fuck here.
What?
Yeah.
I need my beer.
Yeah, God. Oh, you. Who the fuck shot me in the goddamn ass? Oh, I can't go that way. I'm in third.
The chicken.
Do you know this level? Oh, I'm at the money. No, I don't know the fucking level. I don't have the map.
Where's our net?
Don't look at me like I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, drop shot! Don't spawn behind me. Yeah, look at my titties. Big old flappy. What the fuck do you have? The fucking ray gun? This isn't goddamn zombies. Butthole. Fucking Jew.
I'm gonna make money off of this.
Fuck yeah.
Where the fuck did you come from? Oh, you got a shotgun. Everybody's got a goddamn shotgun except for me.
You're on the.
Oh, look who's in first. Oh, wow. Who can't fucking aim a gun and go? Some ass. What did you...
Oh my god, I'm sorry for the shaking camera. I'm drunk.
Yeah, buddy. Yep.
Somebody kill his ass.
Ah!
God damn it.
Come here, bitch.
We have 2 cameras on Dane right now because this is too good to miss.
Yeah! No! No! Come here, I'm gonna snipe the fuck out of you. Cockeyed motherfucker. No scope! No scope!
He got 2 in a row.
Shit. Yeah, light your ass up, Matt! Yeah!
Matt slapped me
Oh,
on
you got nothing?
Fucking flight.
You got nothing? Nope. The fuck we... What the fuck was that?
Oh, you're in second place. You better pick your shit up.
Fucking first place.
Pick your shit up. You're in second. Kill his. Oh.
What the fuck was that?
Matt. That was Matt.
Fuck Matt in the ass fucking hole.
Oh, Matt just straight up owned somebody with that China Lake.
Hold on.
Oh.
Oh, it's the
Oh,
fuck.
somebody's in first.
Yeah.
Somebody's in first. Oh.
No, Matt.
Don't
No,
beat
Matt.
your ass.
No. No.
Oh, Matt.
Oh, no shit.
Matt just beat your ass. How do you feel, Matt?
Yeah, he's probably going to roll.
Fucking redemption.
Matt, what's your victory sign right there?
Shit. I just can't stop laughing.
That's it? That's all you have to say?
Dane, how do you feel?
How's your butthole after that? How's your mom's butthole?
Yeah, put the chicken bag back on.
Actually, I shot him in the penis with that knife. So he might want to go.
How long does this video last? Turn it off.
We want to see you in your prime right now.
Oh, let's play firing range. Let's play firing range.
Oh, fucking good.
What, you want a gun game?
Oh,
That's what we just played. What do you want?
What, chamber?
I don't give a shit.
You cock up, motherfucker! Take it in the face! Take it in the face!